How to survive in America as a man. Dog, let me tell you this. So now if you had come here, you have a left leg out of a dirty girl ways and like a Batman style one have. Love beg and hand out and them stuff.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the boss. You know, I'm there with another update. All right, guys. In today's video, we are dealing with a different style. From what you know, we are talk about the foreign people, them foreign woman, and how girl are defend them foreign man. All right, in the video now, the brother I make a whole heap of sense. I haven't been to America, but judging from what most of my friends them tell me, they say America and a better road. You have to work for what you want. You have to make sacrifice. You have to get up early. You have to work in the snow. So I want people there Jamaica and feel say, yeah, when I go foreign, you just go down rich. You have to work twice as much. As in, like, when you're Jamaica, you just do a little 9 to 5 and that's it. But over them places, you have to do all 3, 4 hustle, 5 hustle. So the brother you know, he might give you a story with one I'm brethren where come up in America and he might talk how he want to do and when he reach to where he reach. Him not rich, but him learn how to hustle and learn how to live. So he might give the story with one of his friends come up and expect him to just take out money and just give him just like that. And Jamaicans don't need to let go the mentality there. Once people they are foreign or work or live on a fee, say yeah, it's a better road. So anytime when you take up on the phone, call him then for go on the money. No. And I say work. You understand people have to work hard. And I will never grudge you to go foreign and come back and make it. Never. I'm not gonna watch the video, because I know enough time when I say I chat too much. But remember, if you like this video for me, please put a like on it, leave a comment. I'm not gonna hear what I say and leave a comment and tell me what you think about the story.
How to survive in America as a man. Dog, let me tell you this. So now if you had come here, you have a left leg out of a dirty girl ways and like a Batman style one have. Love beg and hand out and them stuff. You have to be a girl in this. You have to be willing to do it. You have to be ready for work and do what you have to do to make your money, dog. You see me? Because watch this. Long before man even good enough foreign, dog. Man I make more money than people who born here, brother. I will never do nothing illegal, dog. We go Maryland and there Maryland and see snowfall and man just go blood clot family dollar. Get a shovel. And start walk around and start clean people driveway for them. You dig? Money that in a pocket. You see me? The day done, $280 for the day, $20 drive for you, some you clock them. Man not supposed to work, and man can't work, and man there we still and say, we there to make money, we have to make money. You see me? Go out there again and go so boom. I'm going to so boom and see. We go up on Craigslist. Somebody tell me about Craigslist and tell me about gigs on Craigslist and them things. I start search Craigslist gigs. I saw a woman I say she pay $140 for dash some brusher. So that's what the fuck name brusher. Me drop and Google again and what is brusher? I'm see what it be. I say rasa some bush human cut out and one and dash. So I say alright. So me pull up, them tie it up and everything already and put it down in her yard. So she want it. We take it up, put it in her van back and go with it. Reach a one dumpster and chop it off night, $140. Not even take me 30 minutes. You dig? Me see people and say, yo, they want do for fix me. I say, dog, man, no for you screwdriver. Me start fix people, some good thing for people and them. Light bulb, $60 for change one light bulb. What them thing there? Google me a Google price. How much to change a light bulb? How much to do this? How much to do that? And someone I do it and I make money in a foreign. You see me? Start my flooring company and thing. I employ real American people were born here. And guess what? Man still I do this. We still at work. Me fly me car wash. A man, I want to tell you a joke. A man say my beg me 3 bills. Police brother from here, the whole area the police and thing and him fly up different state him there, them say want some more. Say yo, give him one something, want 3 bills. So I say, dog, you know say, I don't really have 3 bills to give nobody brother, but me have work and kill. You see me? Man say, what kind of work? I say, you know say a car me I wash daddy. Want some people to wash car and thing. Man say, nah, let police work come wash car. I say, well, you know, so that police left Jamaica and come and Friday and do it a car me I wash no dog. So me now send my car wash money come give in my G. Straight talk. You feel me? You have to let go on the dirty style and come here come hustle. Stop bumbo clot, beg people things. Money on the on the tree up here. I work, man, I work.
So guys, when you hear from yourself, I may tell you me nah lie. The brother yeah, Him sound like one real hustler. Him sound like him know if make him wear. Yeah, what the man say? When him friend come over there, him friend a beg him man $300 and him friend a the police. Guys. And him look pan him and tell him saying can give him a work. And you know he look pan him and say, him a police, him not go wash no car. And this is the things when I telling about, guys. These are the things. When you're there at Jamaica, you might be a top shot and I do whole heap of top job on them something there. So when I go in them country there, based on when I hear, you have to clean bathroom, you have to do all type of something till you sort out yourself and know. So yeah, cause if your man take up $300 and gain in them country, then guys. It's not so easy, you know. It have to be one genuine friend who have your back where say, yeah, and through this man now, it's when you work for your things and you make sacrifice and you know the dedication you put to it. Yeah, hard for just take up your hard-earned money and just give somebody like that. You understand, guys? So, lesson learned. So, I hope not for you guys, I will a woman me have here still, but it goes to both man and woman. When I watch the video, it have a really important message in it. You know, most of you in America can relate to this guy's story. Right there, so. You understand, guys? So, as usual, if you're new, subscribe. If you all like the video, and leave a comment. And soon in our next topic, you know. Bless upon yourself. Happy Friday.
Driver. We start fix people, some good thing for people and them. Light bulb, $60 have to change one light bulb. What them thing there? Google me a Google price. How much to change a light bulb? How much to do this? How much to do that? And someone I do it and I make money in a foreign. You see me? Start my flooring company and thing. I employ real American people were born here. And guess what? Man still I do this. We still I work. Me fly me car wash. A man, I want to tell you a joke. A man say my beg me 3 bills. Police brother from here, the whole away the police and thing and him fly up different state him there, them say want some more. Say yo, you say want something, want 3 bills. So I say, dog, you know say I don't really have 3 bills to give nobody brother, but me have work and kill. You see me? Man say what kind of work? I say, you know say a car me I wash daddy. Want some people to wash car and thing. Man say him nah let police work come wash car. I say well you know so that police left Jamaica and come and Friday and do it a car me I wash no dog. So me now send my car wash money come give me G. Straight talk. You feel me? You have to let go on the dirty style and come here come hustle. Stop bumbo clot, beg people things. Money on the tree up here. I work, man, I work.